This is the seasonal stock and ETF report for today, September 15, 2022. Lo and behold, Walmart is still on the top of the list of Dow 30 for seasonal opportunities. Look at that whopping 4.43 Sharpe ratio. And when we look at the gains of the last 10 years, we can see why. They're all high. The lowest one 4.28%, and the highest one was 8.62%. It was just consistent. This is a longer term long play. It goes from today until 2nd of May. United Healthcare pegged at 280. We do not analyze higher than 280, but here it is. This stock has gone up with a pretty decent Sharpe ratio last 10 years, returning an average profit of 25.16%. It's a lot higher than Walmart. Let's just check a 6.7% average for Walmart, 25.16% average for United Healthcare. I think I would pick United Healthcare if I had to make a decision between the two. Visa is also up there with a 20% average profit. It lost 3.6% last year, but chances are good for it to go back. Let's see, did it lose any other year? So we looked at all of our data. It lost in 2009, minus 1.34%. It lost last year, but it made a whopping 20.5% every year in average from 2010 to 2020. 11 years. Microsoft lost last year, was pretty consistent other years. Their lowest was 6.2. Johnson & Johnson. Very low earner. And look at this. There's a major drop coming up first, but it seems to always go back up because this thing wins. Can we take a short out of this? Probably not. Okay, look at that. The Sharpe ratio is minus 0.1% because seasonal viewer is tagging this as a long opportunity. Can we actually make it a short opportunity? We cannot. This is not a great short. The only reason that this goes down like this is because on the bearish years, like 2-3 of them, it was a lot. 2014 was 8%, minus 4.6, minus 2% last year. I would skip this one for short. And a long is, I would say, a much better long right here. Here it is. On Johnson & Johnson, I would say it's better to wait till mid-October. Intel. It lost in 2012. It made money all the other years. It's from today until 14th of January. What if we eliminate this year, 2012, by just making the 10 years down to 9 years? The Sharpe ratio jumps to 1.49. However, there's a big drop here. What if we bought Intel right there? No, it jumps into that 2015 loss. Still a pretty decent trade for Intel. And then my favorite, IBM. It is the most consistent major company stock short I have seen lately. Look at this. Although it's a little early for this short, I think the best time is right around here. But IBM's been dropping sharply in October. See, between October 11th and 25, Sharp ratio of 1.3. That's pretty decent. I'm going to be definitely buying puts on this one myself. Yeah, I'd be a little bit worried about a long opportunity right now. Markets are looking like they're on their way down. September and at least the first half of October is usually bearish. Markets turn extremely bullish on the 26th of October seasonally. Traveler, another good long-term gains. Nike, yeah, these are below 1 for Sharp ratio. And Goldman Sachs is now showing us a long. Originally this was a short opportunity right there. But Sharp ratio is pretty low, mostly because of this jump in 2017. Boeing long. Let's look at 3M short. Sharp ratio is low, but it's probably not going to get any better, or algorithm would have picked it. Yep. Alright, let's take a look at what's top on this now. Keurig is back on the top for major bullish move. What if we started here? This is the time to buy Keurig, right there. Of October. First or second week of October is a better time to buy Keurig. I would probably jump in then on a longer term account. And then there's Fiserv and NetEase. What do we have for shorts? Electronic Arts. Pretty decent short. It went up in 2020 when everybody was staying home and playing video games, but this is the time it goes down. Qualcomm, another short opportunity. 2021, it dropped 3.44%. It's a tiny little drop, but it's fairly consistent. Illumina, 34-day, huge drop of 28% on 2015, but this might be actually a good opportunity also. If you look at it, this is when it goes down right now. Activision Blizzard, another one. Let's see, this is not working. $76 stock. And Keurig is number 5 under NASDAQ. Oh no. Walmart, Wilshire, Stairs, these are all long. The first short opportunity is Royal Gold Inc. Oh, that's a very good opportunity. 2.28. $93 stock. Travel Zoo, that's another really good one, but I think it's a low price, $5.74. Not good for option trades. Crown Castle. I will wait till here. It's probably a better opportunity right there. Yeah, a little bit better. $2.18 here. Maybe even better here. Is that the case? It's still good, but not great. ESA Bank Corp. Long opportunity. Maybe a better choice right there. Most of these long opportunities are better in mid to late October. However, the very strong ones are still showing up on our list. Although we're going to go through a period of down, this is when the stocks go down seasonally throughout the year. Let's look at ETFs. Silver's on the top with shorts, and consumer staples up with long. 90 days, 3.8%. Not the greatest. It's better to wait. Most of the long opportunities better to wait till mid to late October. Short ones are available now. Let's see, what else do we see in shorts? Generally, this is the list of our shorts. That's it for today.